आपने देखी हेडलाइंस और अब बढ़ते हैं खबरों की डिटेल्स की तरफ। ह्यूस्टन पुलिस ऑफिसर्स और पार्क ऑफिशियल्स ने रेस्क्यू किया एक मंकी को जो कि छुपा हुआ था नीचे पिकअप ट्रक के। इस मंकी को अर्लियर अटैक किया था एक डॉग ने, जिसके कारण मंकी ने सफ़र किया था डॉग बाइट, जिसके बाद ये जानवर छुप गया डर कर ट्रक के नीचे साउथ ईस्ट ह्यूस्टन की लोकेशन पर। ऑफिशियल्स ने रिसीव की थी कॉल इस विशस एनिमल ऑन द लूज की टेलीफोन रोड की लोकेशन पर नियर ओरेम ड्राइव कल रात के 9 बजे। पार्क ऑफिसर्स भी पहुंचे सीन पर और उनको मिला ये बंदर छुपा हुआ नीचे पिकअप ट्रक के। जबकि एक विटनेस ने बताया पुलिस और पार्क ऑफिशियल्स को कि मंकी को अटैक करके जख्मी किया है एक कुत्ते ने जो कि एरिया में मौजूद था, जिसके बाद ये जानवर भागकर उसने अपनी जान बचाने की कोशिश की और अब ये मंकी ट्रीट होने के बाद अपनी माइनर इंजरीज के लिए अब मौजूद है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंटर लीक सिटी में।
I'll change this once you have
Oh my god. What?
They were able to locate the monkey and contain him until Bark arrived and took custody of the animal.
It's something that we weren't expecting when we got dispatched out there. It's definitely the first for me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people out here haven't seen something like that. With me and my partner, we got some more knowledge on what was going on and who he belonged to and how he even got there in the first place. And after that, we pretty much requested the resources that he needed to get better help, obviously, because we don't know much about stuff like that, but we called the resources to get him the help he needs.
Night shift lieutenant said that he has never seen it in his 22 years, so I guess you can say it's a pretty rare one to have. So, yeah, well, I really wasn't expecting a monkey, but it was a one in a million thing when I got there. But yeah, I seen a monkey today, so. Well, like he said, we wanted to get it, but knowing that it was already kind of feisty and having been attacked by a dog, it was probably already like in fighting mode, so we really didn't want to put ourselves and get bit by a monkey, so we just decided to call Bark, and they were the ones who said they were going to come out there and entertain the monkey and get the monkey.